for the love of the country. For the love, just for the love of the country, my friend. Sakusile, Richards Bay. Richards Bay. Yabo siyajuluka thina. Lokusivuke ngo-3. Silale ngo 12:30. Ngo-3 sesivukile siyaplana. Siplana ukuthi izwe singalivikela kanjani. Siplana ukuthi izwe singalenza kanjani libe lihle. Siplana ukuthi singalekelela kanjani uhulumeni wethu. Ukuthi ubone ukuthi abantu base South Africa bakhathele kangakanani nanokuthi kulungile phela konke lokade kwenzeka bekwenzeka ngoba abantu benganakile benikeza abaholi ithuba njengamanje ke sesisela akuzukhona akulalwe njengoba niwabona amehle njena nje akulalwe ngeke kulala abantu abahambe bebele kwela kubo thina sisale siyilungisa singabantu ama-Somalia, ama-Ethiopia, ama-Bangladesh, we know they're in Sandton, we know they're in Palito, we know in the most of estate, we know in Hillbrow, we know in our communities. This is not going to stop. We are not going to stop until you guys go back to your countries and fix your papers, and then you can come back to South Africa. So we don't care about social media, we don't care about the newspapers, we don't care about the news outlets that are labeling us. We don't care about you who are paying attention to what we are doing instead of keeping quiet if you don't agree and then you start insulting us. Mina, I'm too strong. I'm too strong. You can insult me, I don't care. I don't compete with anyone. Even those that think they are competing with me, they are competing with themselves. I don't compete. I only win. And I don't start anything that is not going to see its end in a beautiful way. So this country is going to get better. And after this, after the 30th, we are going to factories, we are going to farms, we are going to, your business is going to get hurt. Whoever is illegal immigrants in the country and illegal foreigners, your business is going to get hurt very bad because it's not helping South Africa anyway. Lapha Richards Bay sicela nisilindele ngabo 7:30. Silindele insizwa ihlangane lapho ngaserenki, erenki yamabhasi nerenki yamatekisi lapho kunobhuqu khona. So hlanganela khona. It's our country. No amount of insults will slow us down. No amount of propaganda is going to slow us down. No amount of scare tactics from the government is going to slow us down. We are going to win. You, all of you illegal foreigners, all of you thugs who left your countries and came to South Africa, and now you are insulting South Africans. You are stupid, you are a failure, you are nothing. You are supposed to be in your country, fixing your country, doing what I'm doing in your country. But you are here in South Africa, on social media, insulting South Africans. You are not making any difference. The reason why your country is like that is because of the same attitude where you leave your country, you come to South Africa to swear and insult South Africans. That's why your country is like that. Ama-South Africans siyabonga, nina bakithi siyabonga, nina benkosi siyabonga. Qhubekani ningabanaki ningabaphenduli. Laba bathuka inhlamba nje Facebook ningabaphenduli. Ngoba the reason why their countries are like that, it's because they pay attention to stupid things. They pay attention to things that are not relevant. We as South Africans, we stood up for our country. We stood together with amaXhosa, amaPedi, amaVenda, beSotho, amaGhaghabe, amaMpondo, nawo wonke umuntu. We stood up and said, enough is enough, we need to fix our country. So let them swear as much as they can. But that's the only thing they know. Why their countries, if they are smart, why their countries are like that. South Africa is going to, no politician is going to save you. Go back to your country. Hambani, hambani. Siye njengamanje. Thank you. Papa yeni siyabonga. Sawubona South Africa, sithemba ukuthi niyaphila bafowethu nonke. Siyabonga South Africa, siyabonga ngane zakwethu, siyabonga. Angeke nazi ukuthi nenza umehluko ongakanani, ngeke nazi ukuthi nisiqinisa kangakanani. Izingane zakwethu esithi masidlula senza ama match la uthola ukuthi ibambekile, zisemsebenzini, zime eminyango, zivele ngamawindi, ziphakamise izandla, zimemeze zithi South Africa. Siyabonga bafowethu. Kukhulu kakhulu enikwenzayo ningekho eduzane. Izingane zakwethu ezesisekayo ziphosa o3 bazo, o50 bazo, o100 bazo. Nalokho abantu abaphosa siyacela niqhubeke nakho ngoba yikho kwenza nibone kwenzeka yonke lento. Leminikelo yenu eniyenzayo iyona yenza kwenzeke yonke lento. Siyabonga bafowethu, siyabonga. Ngeke siyeke ukubonga, siyabonga. Mina akangilona lolu hlobo oluhlala elikhala. Ukubonga ngiyakwazi. Siyabonga bafowethu. Siyabonga weSouth Africa, inkulu into eniyenzayo. Inkulu into futhi niyibone ukuthi niyaphumelela. Ngicela niyibone ukuthi lento esiyenzayo iyaphumelela. Bukana uhulumeni uyalithatha igxathu. Khona noma ngabe lihle noma ngabe libi kodwa usabela entweni thina esiyenzayo. Siyabonga ingane zakwethu. Siyabonga insizweni zonke amarenki onke. Siyabonga. Sibayeke laba abambalwa abagangayo ngoba siyazi ukuthi emarenki khona abantu asebethengwe ngamakutshukutshu nakwanongoma kukhona lokho sikubonile siyakwazi kodwa kusalayo bafethu izwe liyoba khona ngisho ungasekho ngoba nifike nenze lezi zinto enizenzayo lapha emateksini nenze lezi zinto ezithenda nethemba ukubulala abantu iyona kuphela into oyithembile empilweni uthemba ukubulala umuntu hayi ukuthi uthemba ukuthi wena uzoba ingxenye yokwelekelela izwe ukuhlakanipha kwakho wena ukuveza ngokuthi ube yiqili kubantu bakini siyabazi ke labo bantu abanjalo asinankinga nabo iyona sabelo sabo uNkulunkulu abanikeze sona kodwa into engizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje ukuthi kusasa ngomhla ka26 ekseni kusukela ngo7 kuya ku11:30 ngizoba ngiseBay ngiyobona insizwa lapha eBay sizogqugquzela sizoqinisa insizwa ukuthi wemadoda ningalenzi iphutha lokubulala amadolobha enu ngoba akuwenzi umqondo ukuthi uthi ufuna ukulungisa uphinde futhi wena ubulale into yakho so ke lokho abantu ababede bekufundiswa ipolitiki kokuthi abantu bethi bafuna amanzi bese bemba umgwaqo la kungena pipe khona siyakuyeka manje ama South Africans ekasakwenza lokho futhi ama South Africans sizowagqugquzela thina ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi awahlangane noma ngabaqhamuka kumapha amaqembu ahlangane athatha izwe lawo ngendlela enhle hayi ngendlela enodlame hayi ngendlela ezoshiya sifuna abantu abaqotho sifuna abantu abangekho kupolitiki manje awukwazi ukuthi ugijime wonke amaqembu uthi ufuna into entsha kodwa njalo maqhamuka into entsha wena ufuna ukuba kuleyo nto entsha vele umuntu oyinkinga uwena sifuna abantu abasha brand new people abangakaze bevote nabantu abasha abangakaze bebe kumapolitiki sifuna bebe ingxenye yalezi zinto esizenzayo bese kuthi wena okade ukhona kupolitiki osuvukelwe umoya wabukelwa unembeza wakhumbula ukuthi izwe lingaphezulu kwepolitiki siyakufisa ukuthi ubuye ube khona la ifundiswa zakithi njengoba sigxeka sinigxekela ukuthi yekani ukukhuluma isingisi buyani nizongena la kusetshenzwe izwe ngoba kusiza ngani ukuthi ukhuluma isingisi esingaziwa ngabantu bangakini kusiza ngani ukuthi ubatshazwa ngokuthi ufundile ube wesaba ukuphucwa iphepha elabhalwa indoda iphepha nje labhalwa umuntu kwathiwa igama lalelo phepha yidegree ngalelo phepha wena awusakwazi ukukhuluma elizwe awusakwazi ukulela izwe ngoba uyivila wesaba ukuthi kuyofanele uhamba uyofukuza lapha phandle awufuni ukufukuza ufuna ukuthola izinto zamahala ngephepha nje labhalwa umuntu wathi wena usune degree usuyimasters yokuthi iqiniso ukuthi nawe uyazi ukuthi awazi lutho iqiniso ukuthi nje ubungakwazi ukulwela izwe kusho ukuthi ayikho into oyaziyo ngoba lelo phepha fanele ngabe yilo elakwenza noma leyo mfundo fanele ngabe yiye yakwenza wabona ukuthi izwe libaluleke ngani so uma kuze kube manje ungakaboni noma ungalidabula lelo phepha ulilahle lapha eRichards Bay kunamaphoyisa adayisa ama-drugs senginesikhathi eside kusukela ngo-2024 September ngiyilandela indaba yakhona kunama-Nigerians adayiselwa ngamaphoyisa ama-drugs so ngizwile ukuthi njengoba ngize eRichards Bay kunengxokozelo-ke kusatshiswa abantu besatshiswa ngamaphoyisa into esizoyenza uma beke basichukuluza eRichards Bay amaphoyisa make asichukuluza sizobiza amagama amaphoyisa okuyiwona adayisa ama-drugs sizothatha ama-video amaphoyisa emukele imali kubantu sizoshutha lamaphoyisa ahlale epake ngama-van asesebenza ukuvuka ekseni ayoprotector
ama-Nigerians e-Richards Bay. So sicela ukuthi ningasiqali into esiyishoyo sithi sicela noma ngabe kade uganga ubuganga ubuntshontsha yeka yikho sisho kanjalo ngoba asifuni kube khona umuntu ophazamisekayo. So ke mangabe nifuna impi kimi nina amaphoyisa ase-Richards Bay nizoyithola impi kimi. Ama-foreigners onke e-Richards Bay kumele ahambe ungakashayi umhla ka-30 2026. Wonke ama-Nigerians nama-foreigners ase-Richards Bay kumele ahambe e-Richards Bay. Wena phoyisa wase-Richards Bay obhizi ophansi phezulu uhamba uqamba amanga thatha ama-voice note wrong uthi uphakele wathi abantu abenze lawo ma-voice note, bring it on kumina and see what's going to happen. Akho phoyisa la elizofuna ukulawula ubugebengu ngenkani. Akho phoyisa lapha elathatha isifungo lathi izovikela umphakathi eseliphenduka usomabhizinisi wama-drugs elizoqhubeka limi. Mhlambe nina nicabanga ukuthi kuyadlalwa, mhlambe nicabanga ukuthi njengoba upresident ekhipha itatimende zokuthi abantu aba-undocumented abahambe kulelizwe nicabanga ukuthi kuyadlalwa. Mhlambe njengoba upresident ethi umuntu inkampani eqasha abantu bokufika la abangekho emthethweni kumele iboshwe, mhlambe nicabanga ukuthi siyadlala thina. Asidlali thina. Ofuna impi kimi akayilethe impi kimi, nginayo impi. Kodwa konke lokhu kade ngikwenza sonke lesikhathi bengilokhu ngisho ngithi asifune umuntu ozongcolelwa igama, asifune umuntu ozolahlekelwa umsebenzi, ubuntshontsha, ubuganga, musa kuphenduka imamba egcekeni. Lapha eRichards Bay kusasa ngicela iphume zonke insizwa suke eMtuba esikhawini emalokishini onke engwelezane, cela sihlangane eBay sizobamba umthetho wokuthi ngomhla ka-30 akubulawa lutho, ngomhla ka-30 awabulawa amadolobha. Fanele amadolobha ethu siwagcine ehlanzekile, sisuse abantu bokufika amadolobha sale ehlanzekile. Akufanele silwe sodwa wemaphoyisa, kufanele sime nganhlanye sibuke ubugebengu. Kodwa mawuthanda ukulwa noma ngabe ubani ulethe lokho kulwa kimi, uzokuthoza ngithola ngishibhile. Ayizondi kabi. Thank you.
Sanibonani bahlali, sanibonani Dakamuda Sensikazi, mamemba e-KCM. Nikhuluma namalupi la kaBhokweni. Besicela bahlali ukuthi noma besicela sithandza kunadisa ukuthi sicelo sethu nemaphoyisa ne-operation la Insikazi noma sukusela eBonus to kaBhokweni kusuka eMbonisweni Dwaleni behlele kaBhokweni mhla ka-26 ngicela ukuthi siyihlabe siyilawule ukuthi nasuka eBonus sihlangana ngo-9 bonke abantu bekhamba siyabakhipha la, asibashayi, asintshontshe, asiphuli lutho, singadimosheli live, siyabakhipha basemarumini banemakhaya, siyabachuba sibachubela kaBhokweni. Kudaba kune Home Affairs leto ba i-check abocala ku-checka mine uma uwekuhamba uphakathi kwale loyana stock checker na uma sikusola badongichecka mina ukuthi ngwala Insikazi njengoba ngikhuluma Swati kunento ngwaseswatini babe sure ukuthi leli pass lami nale ID yami ivalid. Ngiyacela abantu bakithi sewuhlabe sewulawula asibambisaneni silungiseni lendzawo yethu. Sethi nengitindo letendeka la siyacela ukuthi mhla ka-26 from ngo-9 sibambisaneni siphumeni sonke. Laba khona kumatsha sukusela eBonus until engodini. Siyakhombana la sathi khona ukuhlala umuntu longasiwala eSouth Africa siyabakhipha. Unelikhaya unani siyamkhipha ushiya lelikhaya. Baningi abantu abanganamakhaya badawungena abahlali asabafuni ababuyele emakhaya kubo. Ngiyacela abantu bakithi sibambisaneni silungiseni live lakithi. I-tax iyadliwa iyaphela, ma-ID alahleka nakusile. Bantwana bethu labancane sibayisa kuleti kolota labantu bathatha ama-birth certificate bafake abantu babo, uthola ukuthi umntwanakho sowukabili le nto hluphekisa umntwanakho bangathola i-ID yami umuntu ufaka abantu bakhe ku-ID yami ngithole ngina-20 abantwana nginabo 20 abantwana naleti kolo nabothishela bekuhamba abaye kufundisa abantu bakubo siyabakhipha etikolweni. Siyacela nje ukuthi tikolo netikolo forward ilist yabothishela njengoba tikolo tivala nativula asabadzini kunebantwana labaningi lababuye etikolweni abakhoni ukusebenza la kuletikolo lama private school kusebenza abantu bekuhamba la itibhedlela lesibatiko nje ngobe siyoba-check-a through ku home affairs. Ngiyabonga bantu bakithi, asihlabeni silawule, asibambisaneni mhla ka-26 ngalesihlanu sisonke. Ngiyabonga. Lokunye lengikushile bantu bakithi, bengingajabula ukuthi Phakani, Zwelisha, Newscombe, Xawuxawu, Buyelani, Vangatini, Siligani, Chweni, Gujwa, Mdlangomo, Makoko, sonke sibadudule, bonke sibadudule sibakhiphe. Lokho nitakubona ukuthi umsebenzi ukhona, sitakheleni, asibabulali. Uma umuntu atobuya njoba niva kuhlongodwa ukuthi umuntu onaseketangala kutoba kunema restriction lamakhulu. Uma kungendeka abantu bakithi umuntu bamthole akuwe, mbowati ukuthi nihlawule lenkulu kakhulu leyo, bangamthola akakho. So asilungiseni le live lakithi ngekubambisana. Ngiyacela tonke leti vetala insikazi kube njalo, nasepinari bengingajabula kube njalo, nasegame bengingajabula uma lama voice note angafika. Uma afika lama voice note, tsinzani KCM, tsinzani iMarch and March, mina ngwakaMalupi ngisengodini. Sitsinzeni ukuze sibambisaneni, sibe nekuthula. Bantu la umuntu uyaganga abulale umuntu angatholakala angatraceki because sihleti nemuntu longumbulala even la kubo bhacile la, akusiyo indzawo yokubhaca la, indzawo yokuphila. Edibhedlela maphilisi ayaphela, baweba bawamikise emaveni abo kunamaphilisi leke lawo mave ngenxa yokuthi government wabo ubolile njengalo wakithi government sobole ngalendlela. Siyacela abantu bakithi sibambisaneni. Umuntu makhuluma shangana kusho ukuthi wasemaputo, nemsuthu akusho ukuthi waseLesotho, nemswati akusho ukuthi waseswatini. Labantu banemijovo yabo. Lo munye ngathi wakaMalupi mara sinanatelo sakaMalupi akasati. So siyacela abantu bakithi ukuthi asihlabeni silawule, sibambisaneni. Siyabonga.